The water cycle is the process where water circulates between the Earth's oceans, atmosphere, and land, also involving precipitation as rain and snow. It returns to the atmosphere by evaporation and transpiration. The water from the oceans, lakes, and rivers turn into water vapor, which is called evaporation. Then the water vapor turns into millions of tiny droplets that form clouds called condensation. Then these clouds lose the water as rain or snow, which is called precipitation. The carbon cycle is the circulation and transformation of carbon going back and forth between living things and the environment. Carbon travels from the atmosphere into organisms and the earth and then back into the atmosphere. Plants take carbon dioxide from the air and use it to make food. Animals then eat the food and the carbon is stored in their bodies or released to CO2 through respiration. A special type of bacteria called nitrogen-fixing bacteria take in that atmospheric nitrogen and produce anomia. Another bacteria use anomia to produce nitrates and nitrites, which are nitrogen and oxygen-containing compounds. The nitrates and nitrites are used by plants to make amino acids, which are used to make plant proteins. Plants are consumed by other organisms, which use the plant amino acids to make their own. Decomposers convert the nitrogen found in other organisms into amino acids and return it to the soil. A few of these types of bacteria can return nitrogen to the atmosphere by processing called desertification. Phosphorus is mostly common found in rock formations and ocean sediments as phosphate salts. Phosphate salts are released from rocks through weathering, usually dissolve in soil water, and will be absorbed by plants. Because these quantities of phosphorus in the soil are generally small, it is often the limiting factor for plant growth. Animals absorb phosphates by eating plants or plant-eating animals. When animals and plants die, phosphates will return to the soils or oceans again during decay. After that, the phosphorus will end up in the sediment or rock formations again, remaining there for millions of years.